Alright you guys, I am in the Costco. So right here we have the solar LED lantern. Oh, you know, I thought it would spin. It doesn't. $22.99. Ends on the 29th. You know what? I have not seen this one. But just a little lantern. You can hang it outside too if you really want to. And $29.99. Hand blown, you know, mushroom glass. They are solar rechargeable, and you only get 3 in here. Solar LED pathway lights, you only get 4, $36.99. And of course your double wind chime, which is going to be $38. They used to have a much larger one though. 38 here. Next to me, the plant caddy. You will get 2 for $29.99. Okay, I am thinking about buying this because we're having issues with gnats. I don't know what's going on. They're just coming in through the front door. $39.99. I never had any issues, and I have no fruit right now, but these are $40. I hear a lot of people say it does really work. And this is back, the bug repelling fan, $16.99. You will get 2. They work. There they go.
Oh no, it doesn't. I'll show you. Now it's good because kids can do it, and it's just like being whacked by like paper. It doesn't even hurt. It's like very soft.
So the 10-person instant cabin right here. Let's see, set up and take down. 2-room. It's a 2-room with a divider, so there will be a divider. I still don't want to lay next to you. And yeah, I don't know if this one has the light. There's one that has like a pop-up light, but $297. I mean, if it's family only, like your own children, cool, I could do that. But if it's like they wanted to like bring their like significant other, no, I can't do that. $300. So the 6-person one is going to have the light in it. 3 light mode on the 6, $120. $12.97. We have the character pajama set. Of course, Minnie, Bluey, and Spider-Man. I feel like no matter what, you're always gonna get Spider-Man and Bluey. Calvin Klein Youth. I wish it was for adults, but $15. Ends on the 24th, and your limit is 10. It's 10. I like the boxer. You get the pant and the shirt. Come on. Why don't they have this for grown-ups? $12.99 on the women bike short. And then next to me they have the tee, so you could match it together. $10. Now these are pretty thin. They kind of feel like that quick dry material. And then, you know, if you're doing jogging, they look like they would cinch you in. Brown and black. And a 3-piece lounge set is a $20. They get the rib cardigan, tank, and pant set. It's kind of cute. This one's very pinky vibes. And the crop legging is $15. Gray, black, and kind of like a, what do you want to call it, like a plum. And $12.97 on the men short sleeve. This looks like your style. A black one though. And for the dress pant, it's going to be 20.
I feel like these should be different color though, so they stand out more.
Navy blue and black. Okay, $12.49. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. Right here we have grilled chicken with power veggies, 16 grams clean protein made with avocado oil. Kevin's Parmesan basil chicken. We have tender chicken breast, Parmesan sauce, broccoli and zucchini. Sounds pretty good actually. $14.99. I feel like I have to go back to buying these. I haven't bought like any like frozen stuff in a while, but now everyone's hungry. We have turkey pesto and Swiss down here, which is $13.99. You get 8. And then next to me is the one that we're kind of saying like from Starbucks right here, $16.49. $14.69. We have Korean style crunchy chicken, sweet and spicy. I haven't tried this one, so let me know if you have. $14.69. Okay, I found cheeseburger bao, right? Is it bao? Like
Looks like it's a foul.
$13.79. I haven't seen the cheeseburger one, but they have that here. $8.99. There's no more in my Costco, but look, I feel like they might be tasting pretty good. $8.99 here, ends on the 29th. $3 off on the mini cookie crumble. And I really want to try this down here. But like $17.99. I feel like this might be kind of new. $16.99 mini Dubai chocolate styles, the ice cream sandwich. Okay, you guys, are we over Dubai? Are you done? I see it everywhere. $10.99 on Fruit Riot. You have lemon, lime, green apple, and mixed berry. This is a pretty good buy. $10.99 for a 20 ounce. A small bag in your regular grocery. I think it was about like $8. So yeah, if I could find any Costco, I'm gonna grab that. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. Lemon chicken orzo and orzo soup made with white meat. It is organic. $12.89. That looks actually good. The heavy duty mop 54 count is only $15.69. Not bad. Your limit is 2. Ends on the 29th. $31.99 on the spin mop. And $11.89 right now. Ends on the 29th. 4-in-1. A 3-pound bag of spicy, $10.99, ends on the 29th. And of course, the Purdue Panko chicken nuggets are $9.89 right now, and that's a 5-pounder. I want to say this is a new set, $13.99. Finest Premium Belgian chocolate. Okay. Ooh, that grapefruit one looks actually pretty good. In a white chocolate dome decorated with yellow spray. And that's what it says. Decorated with yellow spray.
Makes me think
Ganache feeling.
Makes me think of the cheesing episode of South Park. Have you seen that one?
$15.99 cinnamon swirl butter cake. Ooh, you know what? I don't remember it being out for Christmas. Do you guys remember? But $15.99 here. This is new. Different color on bows. And next to me we have Chip Ahoy baked bites. Oh my gosh, the brookie. $10.59. I have not had a Chip Ahoy in a long time. He's giving away samples. Should I try one? $10.59 here. So we have the old fashioned, but these are lemon bites for $7.79. Yeah. Okay, here's my brookie. Now Sam's Club, they give you a whole one. Sam's Club, you guys, they'll give you a whole side salad. I'm telling you, if they have samples in Sam's Club, and if you're on your lunch break, way better than Costco. So I don't taste the brownie. It tastes like a chewy Chip Ahoy.
Yeah.
I personally don't see the difference.
Am I crazy? Or does anyone else taste that weird, like, chemically aftertaste? I've always tasted, even as a kid, in the chewy versions. That's why I've always hated the chewy ones and just like the regular versions of Chips Ahoy, because the chewy ones give this nasty aftertaste.
Okay, we have the Sand and Fog. These are $29.99. Pina Colada, Beach Walk. I mean, all three of them smell pretty good. $14.99 on a rain bath with vitamin E. This one ends on the 29th. Right now, there's no deals on soap or anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you could hype it for me, if you're able to hype it. Let me walk back this way. It truly does help the channel and my videos get discovered, because I'm still, you guys know I like my videos to be pushed out. We all do, but a lot of people I think are confusing me with another person. I'm like, that's not me, but we make the exact same videos. But yeah, okay, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.